Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnut24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the WD Black D10. This is a game drive for your game systems. It works with the PlayStation and Xbox One and also your PC. And you can also reformat it and make it work with your Mac. This has 8 terabytes of storage space, has up to 250 megabit a second read speed. So now we'll get into the box. But first, we'll show you the back, we'll give you some more details. You can pause the video at any time and take a look. There you go, alright. So now we'll get inside. So inside the box, you get the power adapter right here. There's a wall adapter right there. They give you a, looks like a USB cable right there, special USB cable. And the stand for the drive so you can mount it vertically on your desk. So that's kind of cool. We like the design of these drives. They're painted all black except for the lettering. So here's the drive itself. There we go. So you can mount it just like this on your desk. So that's kind of neat. These are the vent holes up here and down here. It's 8 terabytes of storage space. It's quite a big drive, but you get 8 terabytes of storage, so that's nice. What's cool in the back, these ports can be used as charging ports for your USB devices, so that's nice. This is the fan port, so it has a little bit of fan noise, but not too much at all. You get 7.5 watts of charging right out of these. Here's your charge port for that wall adapter we showed you earlier. And then this cable here that comes in the box plugs in right there. So this is the WD Black 8 terabyte D10 gaming drive, and it works with your PlayStation, Xbox One, your PC, and if you reformat it, your Mac as well. Chris Roshnut 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.